Hi guys, so I'm back again with another video. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to do a review on a makeup product, and that product is Meena Contour Palette. This is how it looks like. So if you're interested to know my reviews on this product, this is how the product is packaged. It comes packed in this cardboard sort of packaging, and as soon as you open it, you get your contour palette, and with this pamphlet kind of thingy which claims what the product is able to do and how to use it and everything of that sorts. This is like the instruction thing, and this is the outer packaging, and this is how the actual contour palette look like. Packaging wise, the contour palette is greatly packed. This is how actually the contour of the concealer palette looks like. It has about 15 shades, and there is like a plastic film right here to protect the palette, and this is how the 15 shades look like. Combination of color correctors, concealers and contour colors. There is also one cream highlighter in this palette which includes this shade right here. The ingredients used in the product is well mentioned on the outer packaging as well. Also on the back of the packaging of the actual product. This is where the ingredients are mentioned as well. This is a great point as they have mentioned the ingredients on the outer packaging as well as on the palette itself, because if you are my kind of person, you will replace the outer packaging like whoosh. And if you want to actually see the ingredients that are going onto your face, you will be handy as the ingredients are already mentioned on the back of the packaging. Now coming on to the claims that this product makes, I'll be reading out all the claims from this pamphlet right here. Firstly, this product claims that there is an innovative gel formula for perfect looking skin. I don't know about the innovative gel formula because this product is more like creamy. I don't feel the gel formula as of now, so I don't know about the first claim. Secondly, the product claims to provide smoothest and the most natural finish. I will agree to this claim as the concealers do not give a cakey appearance. It's actually very whipped and smooth, and it gives a very natural finish to the skin. Thirdly, this product claims to seamlessly cover dark circles and blemishes. I will also agree to this claim as the concealers are really high on coverage. They conceal and cover up my dark circles, my imperfections really nicely, and they are really high coverage. Lastly, this product claims that it heals and protects with active botanicals of chamomile, green tea, orchid and wild rose. I do not agree with this claim as the ingredient list of the products do not mention any of such products like chamomile, green tea, orchid or wild rose. But this product actually does what it is supposed to do. It covers, conceals, contours, color correct. This is how all the shades look like. I know this is a very weird angle to show you guys. I'll insert a picture of these swatches in the next clip. I got this contour palette of Amazon for rupees 224, and I paid almost 40 rupees for the shipping, so I essentially got it for rupees 264. For the price it's being offered at, it's a really good product. There are about 15 shades which includes a lot of correctors, concealers, contour shades. If you are on a budget and are looking for good contour palettes, this is a palette you can surely go for because this is really cheap. You are getting 15 shades for, if you do the math, it's like 264 divided by 15. I don't know the answer, but it's really cheap. The expiry date of this product is 3 years later than the manufacturing date. So this product was manufactured in 2016 and it will expire in 2019. So the expiry date and the shelf life of this product is really great. If you want to buy this product, I will have a direct link in the description bar down below for you guys to check out. All I give this product about 8 out of 10 stars, which is a good deal. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please do like, comment and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel for more such useful videos in the future. Until next time, take care guys and keep subscribing and keep liking. Bye.